welcome to the Jet Experience. So today we're back at Knott's Berry Farm, and I recently did my top 10 favorite rides. So what I'm doing today is my least favorite rides. They're in no particular order. It's not a countdown per se. There'll be a few of them, and I'm standing right in front of what's going to be the very first one, which is Coast Rider. What I don't like about roller coasters like this one is there's no banking to it. It stays perfectly flat. So when it's coming up around corners or turns, it stays flat. So it looks like the car is going to go right off it. And to try and make the rides a little more fun for the viewers, we've got these brand new special glasses with a camera built into it. So I'm excited to see how that footage is going to come out. I'm going to try and be as still as I can for everybody out there. And if you like any of these rides that I dislike, please let me know down in the comments why you like these rides. So join us on this experience. All right. Oh, it's so bright still. I'm gonna take my hat off because I'm afraid. All right, so far it's okay. Oh, but I hit this turn. Oh! And it falls. Ah! Oh, and another. Oh, I hate these turns. Ah! Oh, it feels like we're gonna fall. Declan likes it though. Oh, the bliss of being young. That was a hard one. Oh, we're speeding up and we're stopping. And the brakes. Oh, it's killing mine. And that was Coast Rider. All right, so we are heading over to the next ride on my list, and it might be a little bit of a shocker. So it's Silver Bullet, which is a kind of a high throw roller coaster. But the reason I don't like it is those kind of roller coasters, it's the ones where you're sitting in a seat and your legs dangle freely, and that just absolutely freaks me out, kind of like the Coast Rider style was, where I just always feel like my legs are gonna smash into a bar or something. And so to the point where I almost can't enjoy the roller coaster because I'm constantly thinking about that. Absolutely neurotic, I'm totally aware of that, but I just have never really liked those. But for this, I'm gonna try out these glasses and I'm gonna go on it for you guys. All right, so we're walking through the tunnel. There's a sign. This is not actually into the entrance. If it's a little misleading, the entrance is around the corner here, but this is how you gotta go to get there. There's the start of the roller coaster. There's the stairs we're gonna end up walking up, but we have to just walk around here to get to the other side where you can see the people coming down from over there. Here is the entrance to it. It says wait time is 5 minutes, which is spectacular. And here's the seat. Like I said, your legs just dangle freely down here. All right, here we go. See, feet dangling. It's a really nice view from up here, though. And here we go. There we go. now we're to the part of the day where the rides all start to take a common theme for the ones I don't like. And I've mentioned it before, it's not anything new, but it's rides that have a spinning theme. So that brings us back over to Fiesta Village, where there are two right next to each other. We've got the hat dance and then the swings, both of which just spin. The hat dance are basically like the teacups at Disneyland. So we're gonna go get on those. I have to ride the swings myself because he's too short, but he'll go on the hat dance with me. So let's get to spinning. All right, climbing in. Oh, and we're moving. Huh, I guess we gotta go the other way. Whoa! I'm sorry out there. Declan's falling off the seat. Oh, there's the brakes. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. There's nothing good about these rides. All right, and now we're right next to the swings, and I want to get the actual name because obviously they're not just called swings. Is it right here? That's right, WaveSwinger. So I'll go get in line because there is no line. I'll be the next one on the ride. Oh, and we're going up. We get so close to the people next to us. There's Ashley and Declan watching. Oh, it's already going fast. Oh, and this goes up and down too. Oh, why am I spinning? Why am I twisting? It does it on its own. There's no way to stop it. Oh, thank goodness. I'm so dizzy. Oh, we're almost back down to the ground. We are heading over to the next ride, and you can actually see it just in the distance right there. It's Rapid River Run. It's one of those rides where it goes back and forth, and then it ends up, you guessed it, spinning. I don't have an issue with most of the rides over in Camp Snoopy. Again, they're obviously geared towards smaller kids, but this one in particular, just because of the spinning on it, is one of the reasons I really don't like it. All right, so we're on, getting ready to go. There's Declan. So it starts out right, just going back and forth. And then you'll hear a click and it releases it and it starts to spin. There it is. Now the spinning. Oh, it spins so fast. Declan's got his hands up. Luckily the camera keeps filming because my eyes are closed now. I can't take the spinning. And now it spins the other way. Gotta equal out that vestibular system. His arms have been up the whole time. right, so that was a few of my least favorite rides here at Knott's Berry Farm. They're not all, unenjoyable. I do enjoy some of them. They're not my top of the list ones. Like the roller coaster, as I mentioned, it's a fantastic roller coaster. It just freaks me out with my legs hanging as I just saw it out of my peripheral vision go by over here. Most of them all have a certain theme in common, as I mentioned all the time, and it's spinning rides. I really don't care for them. Oddly, when I got off the hat dance, I wasn't really that dizzy, but I wonder if it's because we were just spinning so fast. But then I went and got right on the swings, and that just destroyed my head. Let us know down in the comments below what your least favorite ones, or if you really like any of the ones I went on. I really hope you liked this video. If so, please give us that thumbs up. Consider subscribing to the channel and ring the bell below. As always, you'll get notifications of all of our future videos. And please, as always, be kind and be real, and join us on our next experience.